Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. It's a new Glenn Murray because I got a new laptop sitting here and a new camera up here. I got to look into the camera. It's kind of weird because now I'm looking straight here, but the camera's in. Hopefully, it looks like I'm looking at you guys, kind of. Anyways, so today we've got the Profit Mania review. What is Profit Mania? What is it all about? We're going to be talking about that. It's a very, very cool little course, worthwhile picking up. Now, we got some bonuses for you. There's no demo because it's just really a training course. It's a very, very cool training course. It's actually exactly what I do to generate income online, and it works very, very, very well. So, for example, I'm using this. Let me see what my dashboard says today. I gotta log in. Hmm. Uh, sorry, guys, just checking this. Yeah. So today with $125.59. This is from one platform. I can show you guys if you want. Yesterday, there was no commissions made yesterday, which you know what? It's funny because I was talking about the reality of this. There you guys can see. So this is the exact same method I use to do my business online. Where's my camera here? There we go. So basically, so we're going to talk about the Profit Mania method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you the back end, show you the sales page. I put some bonuses together. There's some actually really, really good bonuses inside. So just picking up the front end just to get all the bonuses is really cool. But really, it comes down to the training, and the training is really key. I keep saying this. It's very simple to make money online if you're using the right technique. And so many people, I think this is the disconnect. So many people will buy a product and then they're like, well, I'm not making any money. But they're not actually understanding that what needs to happen is that you need to have an offer. Before that offer, you need to have some kind of landing page explaining to the people what they're going to buy, what they need. Hopefully, you're going to capture their emails. And before that, you need traffic. And so many people miss out on this traffic part. And they sort of buy programs and they're like, well, I'm not making any money. It's like, well, what traffic are you sending out? It's like, well, I don't know. What do you mean traffic? So that's sort of the confusing. So let's get into the bulk of Profit Mania. So I'm going to jump over to, let's see if I can bring up the sales page here. I'm using a new camera. So guys, hopefully, and the new laptop is loading the internet much, much faster. So there you can see that. All right, so basically, guys, this is gonna be this is the back office. We want to go to the sales page here. We want to go to actually. Let's show you the bonuses first. So, Profit Manager, basically, exact strategy that we use to reach top 10 of our top vendors leaderboards and easily profit 100 to 1,000 plus per day. Actually, so I just want to show you guys because I use this method. Let's see if I'm on number 4 on the leaderboards, guys. I think it's here. Let's go in here and look at the contest. Just to show you, this method works, guys. This method works. There I am, Glenn Murray, number 4, right there. So this method works, guys. So let's go back to this Profit Mania. Okay, so what are the bonuses we're going to get you here? There we go, bonus crate. Sorry guys, I'm jumping all over the place. It's all this new software, the new camera, and all this crazy stuff. Okay, so first off, we're going to give you the online entrepreneur course. This is really important so you can get into the right mindset. Really cool course for you. We've got how to make effective copywriting. Now, this is the key. This is the core of your business, guys, because in reality, the core of your business is actually writing a really short, concise email to your list with an affiliate link in it. That's really the core of your business. So you need to learn how to write effective copywriting. Don't take this lightly. This is gold. Bing ads, learning how to do Bing ads. So if you want to drive traffic through Bing ads, This is a great course to learn. Bing ads are great, way less expensive than Facebook or Google, and there's tons of people on there. Actually, the people with money are using Bing, which is really cool. And then Stealth HD is just a great way to monetize your business and keep all your links safe and all that kind of thing. And then, of course, all the vendors bonuses. So let's pop over to the sales page. Let it load up again. So it's still a little bit, I don't know if you guys watch my videos, but I was having some lagging problems when logging into showing stuff online. So introducing Profit Mania, your unlimited free traffic shortcut. Drive quality buyers to your offer. Simple set and forget hack. Unlimited versatility to promote anything you want, which is true. Totally newbie friendly. So the bonuses you're going to get the Midas Touch. You're going to get little badass bonuses. This is a great 40 tutorials. You're going to get List Lariat, which is great free traffic. Secret blueprint to generate $100 without spending a dime. Again, more free traffic. And the ultimate traffic mattress. So you've got those bonuses, my bonuses. So it's all pretty no-brainer to pick this up just for the bonuses. So what's in the back office? I'll jump over there to it, and this is basically it. So what we're going to go through, I believe it's Sid is going to, or no, it's Bill, sorry, Bill Eng. He's going to give you a little overview, and then we're going to go through, and he's going to give you a case study. You've got the mindset, what hot products to promote, which is really important, guys. The champion funnel, so they're going to give you all the details you need to build out your funnel, the opt-in page, the thank you page, how to affiliate your autoresponder, and then they're going to give you some alternatives if you don't want to use ClickFunnels or you don't want to use your autoresponders. They're going to give you some different choices there, integrating your autoresponder with WordPress, so they can show you how to do it on the very on sort of bootstrapping it on the very low budget. But overall, guys, as you advance, you're going to want to get into a ClickFunnels account, and definitely. And if you want to grab a ClickFunnels account, guys, message me. I'll put a link down below for the 14-day trial. It's free, but I'll also give you a ton of funnels on top of the funnels that are in this. Email marketing knockout. There's the they're going to give you all the email marketing follow-up sequences. Remember what I said, guys. This is where the money is. You've got the champions on demand, fill seats, and then the upgrades. Of course, you can upgrade. We'll talk about those upgrades over here. This is the upgrade page, and what they have is the front end is $12.95, which is a deal. The Royal Rumble is a $27 upgrade. If you scroll off the screen, you'll get it for $17. Traffic is the lifeblood of the business. This upgrade allows you to tap into Bill's personal traffic sources for repeated success, which is cool. The SummerSlam, you'll be able to resell Profit Mania for your own and keep the commissions. So here's another great thing, guys. Having some of these programs that you earn 100% commissions on is key, because when you're doing your emailing daily, throwing some of those offers in is really key, because you can make a lot of money on those 100% in, especially if someone goes through and buys a funnel. Instead of making, say the funnel is worth like $500 that they would buy, or $400 or $500, usually you're only going to get about 50% of that. So you would get, $200 to $250. Instead, you would get the whole funnel. You'd get the 100%. So, and then Profit Smackdowns, officially be a product vendor when you launch a product with us. So you can actually launch a product with them for $500, and being a product vendor is by far the best way to build your buyers list. And that is true. And that's kind of it in a nutshell, guys. So there we go. There I am. Come back up so you can see me on the screen. So do I recommend Profit Mania? Yes, I think it's another great course. I've reviewed quite a few of these courses. They're very similar, but you know what? For $13-14, you can never get enough of them, because each person teaches it slightly different, and each person is going to give you a little bit of a slightly different nuance, and they might speak to you whereas someone else, like I might do the exact same training, but you might not get anything out of it. And when you watch Bill's training, you're like, oh, it makes perfect sense the way he explains it, right? So that's why getting these courses, these sort of like how to build a list, how to build an opt-in, these are really key, and they're really inexpensive. Like if you think about it, if you bought like 4 or 5 of these courses that sort of show you what to do, and you combine all the knowledge, you're going to see that they're all doing very similar things, but it's one of them is going to resonate with you, and you're like, aha, I get it now. That's what I was missing before from the other training. So this has been my Profit Mania review, a little bit of a walkthrough tutorial. I totally recommend buying it. Click the link below to subscribe to or if you want to pick it up, grab it from the link right below. And then also, if you want to subscribe to my channel and get more videos like this, I try to put out a video every day or every couple of days. And I used to do a lot more other training. I've been doing a lot of review videos. Why I'm doing that is I'm ramping up to also launch a product. So pretty cool. Anyways, again, this has been Profit Mania review. Click the link below, pick it up, and grab all the bonuses and enjoy, and message me when you start making some money. I'd love to hear about your success stories. Or if you get stuck, put a comment down below, and we'll see if you can get you unstuck. All right, guys. Cheers.